When you are creating your recurring work orders, there are different patterns you can select based on when you need the work orders to be generated. In this video, we are going to look at the weekly recurring pattern. When you select weekly, you then have the choice of which weeks you would like the work orders to be generated and on which day. If lawn maintenance occurs every other week on Tuesday, to have the work orders show in the queue on every other Tuesday morning, enter 2 in the reoccurs every week's field and then select Monday. This will tell the system to generate the work order with the nightly jobs every other Monday, which ensures the work order will be in the queue on Tuesday morning. For additional information about recurring patterns, please see the additional videos in this series. If you have any questions, please contact the help desk at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.